it just pops out. To get this off, pulls out. This one just pulls out. Unplug it. Alright, now right here there's a 7mm, and then up in here there's a 7mm screw. Once you get those two screws out, just lift up, unscrew this little light. That's how the panel comes off. Hold that up out of the way. Alright, now that's what we got to get out. It's not that big of a pain. The easiest way to get it out is to take the front door handle out. Then you can kind of get to everything. So to get the door handle out, there's a screw here, and then you'll have to get a wrench to get to the other screw right there. Don't know if I mentioned it, but the screws are 11. Stick a extension through there. To get to this one, I think there's really a good way to show you. Just get it off. There it is. Alright, once you pull this little clip off here, the rod off there, there's two little indentions in this white one. What I was taking off, this little clip has these two little nipples right here on each side. You just got to push them in and then push it through. And that's what you're left with. Now what you want to do is take these three out. They are T27. now this wire's got just a little clip holding it on. I'll pry that off. I just use a little trim tool. Alright, it was too hard to show, but that little ball, it goes right in here. It just threads through there. You pop off the little rubber piece, push this in, and just push the ball through. When this comes out, you can just unplug your wires, and then I'll show you how to put it all the way in there. Alright, now that we got this out, if you can look, I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, there's a little tab in here. You just stick your screwdriver in, pry it open, and then this will pull out. Alright, this is the little tab you pry on. It's sitting in there like this. It's pressed up against this little part right here. Just take a screwdriver, push it in, and then it comes out. And that is pretty much it. We're going to take this and clean it up a little bit, and then we'll put the new actuator on it. Alright, we got it cleaned up, got the new actuator. It pushes on the same way the other one comes off. It's just pretty much a reversal of what you just did. Alright, pretty much what I've done is I put the latch back in there, tighten these bolts. It just makes it a lot easier to snap this little cable thing back in place. Once you put it in, just double check that your latch is working like it's supposed to. Now we can put the handle back on. And to put it on, you just push that the little piece we popped out, just push it back in there. And then from the bottom side or the top side, whichever one you want to do, that little long rod snaps back into this little white clip. Alright, once you get that clip put back in, so you just push that other rod right through there. Now it's just tightening up your door handle bolts and that last rod we disconnected. Now all the rods in there are connected. It's just the two little doorknob bolts and put on the door panel. Just tighten it up. I like to get it hand tight and do the other one. Then I'll snug both of them up. There's the bolt right there. And I'll snug this one up with the wrench. Now we're going to get this one with the ratchet. Now we'll test it out. Everything works good. Now we'll just put on the door panel on, and we'll be through. right, everything's back together. Working good now. All right, we'll catch y'all in the next video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll keep on doing these videos of the build.